What's good, YouTube? I am back with another video. It's been a minute, but you know I'm back on my roll. So today we're just going to be doing a simple T-part wig install. Uni's Hair sent me over this 24-inch body wave highlighted wig. And like I stated, it is a T-part, so of course it's not a full frontal. You have that little bit of parting space in the middle, and then you have like less than an inch of lace on the sides. And they also sent me over some goodies in this little mesh bag here, and of course the wig cap. So in the little mesh bag, they sent me over some hair clips. They're really big, and I can tell that they're going to be great hair clips. They also sent me over a hair scarf. It's really cute, and I will most definitely be using it. And of course, some lashes. So let's get down to the wig. This is the beautiful wig. They did a great job with these highlights. Everything is popping. And just a disclaimer, I did go ahead and open up this package right when I received it because I did want to bleach those knots and go ahead and pluck that part. You can see I already customized it because the lace was so stretchy. I was plucking it hard, and I kind of put a little few holes in there. But you know, we're going to make it do what it do. Alright, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I already did my bald cap. I already used my Ruby Kisses foundation to go ahead and put that on the bald cap to make it blend in with my skin. Now I'm just using my Skin Protectant by Erica J, the watermelon scent, just to make sure my skin is protected from this lace adhesive. So what you want to do is also put the same color cream foundation that you use on your wig cap on the back of your lace and on the front of your lace wig. This will ensure that it blends flawlessly with your skin. So I'm just trying to wig on, and in a few seconds I'm going to take it off so I can go ahead and start applying my layers of glue. And I did use 3 layers of glue for this install just because I'm not going to have this wig on for a long time. And y'all already know I'm using Erica J's Hold Me Down Watermelon Adhesive Glue. Alright, so let's go ahead and take that wig and slide it right on into that glue. Make sure everything is pressed in. You know, everything is lined up in front of the bald cap and everything is looking flawless. And then, of course, after I get that lace laid into that glue just the right way, we're going to use that elastic band to go ahead and tie that down so that lace and that glue can meld together in harmony. And then we're going to blow dry it. Look at these colors. I mean, Uni's Hair, you really did a great job with these highlights. It's something I would do. It ain't too bright. You know, it's just perfect. You know, something really simple. So now that that has dried for a couple of minutes, I went ahead and took that band off. And now it's time to cut off that excess lace. So, yeah, go ahead and do that. And I would say using a razor is easier. So off camera, I did go ahead and separate my baby hair because a T-part wig is very hard. I don't know. I'm not going to say it's hard, but you got to know what you're doing. So I just went ahead and separated those baby hair, and I'm just using that same Ruby Kisses foundation to put over the front part of that lace, and then we're going to spray it with some Got to Be Glued spray and tie it down for a couple of seconds. So after about 10 minutes, that got to be glued spray should be dry. So I just went ahead and took off that band, and I'm just going to use an eyebrow razor to cut down the pieces of hair that I'm going to use for baby hair. And y'all already know I'm going to use my small itsy bitsy flat iron to go ahead and curl those baby hairs upward, so it'll be a little bit easier to swoop these baby hairs. And today, to get them to lay down, I'm going to use some mousse. Okay, so we are officially done with the baby hair, and y'all, this is pretty much it. I'm gonna run a brush through this really quick. I actually use a little bit of mousse to bring back that body wave curl pattern, just a little bit, like literally one pump in the palm of your hand, and just rub it in between your palms and then put it on the hair. You don't need all that mousse because it's gonna make your hair crunchy and sticky, and it's just a no for me. So y'all, that is it for this video. As you can see, we definitely finessed that T part, period. But just make sure you know that this is not a frontal wig. It will take some maneuvering. It's gonna take some adjusting to get this wig to fit correctly. But yeah, I think I bodied it. Anyway, until next time, y'all. Bye.